Today we'll talk about how can you change your email on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on change email. You just click on it here. When you just click here on change email, it's going to take you to this list here. So here add your new email. Here you will find your current email. Then here add your new email here. So when here add your new email, just click here on update email here. Then it's going to change with you here on your Audiomack app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.